should you move in with each other within 5 months of your relationship?
Ooh-wee. Okay, got a good question. I mean, good answer for it. Men? No. No, you should not. I don't understand. Okay, listen. First of all, when you think about something like that, you're putting a lot of pressure on me right now. I mean, you want me to move in? We just met 5 months ago. Really? I don't know you like that. I mean, 5 months ago, do you know what's finna happen? Now I got to learn to like you. I got to learn to wake up and see your face, that same person every day. I also got to learn to deal with your stuff. Your stuff. Not mine, your stuff. I got to be able to balance how I'm going to be able to go through my everyday life without you saying, you didn't even call me today. What? You were that busy? What? See, look at Leon. What? Come on now. Come on now. You know I'm in there. That's what I'm talking. Don't cry on me. I'm just saying, you got to understand. See, we're different. We're cut from a different cloth. And we have the same emotions. We just don't carry ours and show ours the way that you do. Now, as far as moving in after 5 months, no. I don't think nobody should do that. But some women feel like, I found me a security blanket. And they want it close to them. That's why they do it. But you don't even know what you're allowing into your space. You don't even know what you're allowing into your home. But you think you got the right one. But how many people know that once they get in there, all of a sudden, so how you and Greg doing? Child, we broke up. What happened to Greg? Now, guess what? It's all Greg's fault.
Wow.
It's all Greg's fault. Why is it Greg's fault? Well, you know, he wasn't what I thought he was.
So do you think it's different that a man moves in with a woman or the woman moves in with the man?
I think it would be better if they got to know each other first before they talking about moving in. Moving in to me, I'm not really into that type of thing because, see, you got to learn the person. And see, when you find somebody like yourself or somebody like Miss Sophia, you find somebody that you're comfortable in who you are. And if you're comfortable in who you are, all of a sudden I show up. Well, you know what? I don't like them jeans, babe. You know, you look good, but, you know, I don't like the way you cook, babe. You know, look, I thought you would do it a little cleaner than this, but I don't like this. You leave stuff all laying around. See, we're pulling you out of your comfort zone, but at the same time, if you come move in with me, I'm taking you out of my comfort zone because, number one, I'm in that spot now where a lot of things I got to give up. A lot of things I got to change, and that's what I'm trying not to do. I don't get into a relationship, and I'm going to tell anybody, don't get into a relationship to change nobody. Be who you are. I'm that person to be quick to tell anybody and everybody, you know what, accept me as I am. Unconditional. Am I right? That's right.